why the stakes are so high here and what's different this time.
From India, with as many as 5, not yet confirmed by others, 5 jets shot down. Now, on the good side, that could allow, we'll have to see, because Pakistan, it seems by all accounts, will respond, and then the question will be, how does India interpret that?
Spoke about the downing of the Rafale jets. These are the French-made fighter jets. He said India took a lot of pride in those aircraft, and Pakistan should take pride in the fact that they were able to shoot them down. So far, video appears to have emerged of at least one of those fighter jets downed in Indian-controlled Kashmir, about 40 miles from the border.
Quran